Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are removing the battery on our Acura ZDX. So usually there's a factory box that the battery sits in, but we replaced our battery a few years ago, and the battery box, this didn't fit in the battery box top because I believe these were popping up in the way. So what we're going to do is let's go ahead and remove the battery. All right. So you want to get a 10mm socket or a wrench, 10mm. So you loosen this, and then you loosen the back. So it uses tension to hold this down, hold the battery down. If you look down here, you'll see the little hook right there. So you can maneuver, once the bolt is loose, you maneuver it like that. So that side's out, and then on the back side, there's the same thing. So you rotate it and you maneuver the hook off of the little mount. So this is the battery tie down. So let's set this aside. And then now to loosen the battery terminal, I usually loosen the negative first.
Where's the positive?
Positive's over here. So you loosen this bolt. Oh. All right, loosen it, and then you lift this up. Make sure you don't lose the nut on there. Set it aside. On this, you loosen this bolt. This one on the side. And then there. So now the battery is completely free of the terminals. And you can just go ahead and lift the battery out. There you go. And this battery, we replaced our battery while we were up in the mountains. And the only place that was open at the time was Walmart, so we got a Walmart battery. But this is the battery box I was talking about. There's a top that goes onto this. This battery didn't fit with the top on it. So we're gonna go ahead and warranty it out. It's having low cold cranking amps. All right, we just picked up a new replacement battery, and we'll go ahead and install it right now. So you want the red cap next to the red side. And new batteries usually have this little cap right here. You just pull this tab, lift up, and then it exposes the terminal. Then you can attach this like that, and then tighten that screw. 10mm screw. Same for this side. So go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and attach it. And then this side. There. Make sure you put your battery tie down and battery hold down. And basically do the same thing you did earlier. Oh, make sure you go under the handle if there is a handle. Look at that. So if you like, I was able to hook it back to this little a hole right here, and you hook it underneath. And same for the back side. Go ahead and just tighten everything off and you're done. tightening until it stops. You just needed this to be pretty tight. But so, do you see how it's still movable? You don't want it completely crushing your battery. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. Well, we're all done with the battery swap. That's it. We went ahead and changed that battery earlier, and now we got in the car, and now the clock is blinking, and it says enter code for the radio. So this is our ZDX is a base model, so it doesn't have the navigation. I don't know if it's different for your model or not, but this is how you enter the code. So I look at my pin. I got this from the dealership, the Acura dealership. They can look up your VIN number and give you the radio code. So 41225. So let's go ahead. 41225. And then now the radio automatically goes on. Let's turn the power off and then clock. So to change the clock, so I turn the radio on so this lights up. Hit the clock. You press and hold it, and then now it asks you what time it is. So we want 12 hours. Let's see what time is it. Yeah, so it's pretty close. So we're gonna do it 5 minutes faster. So 4:11 set. Okay. All right. Well, that's basically it.